Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing a question of finding the mode of the given data. So this is the data, class interval and frequency. So class intervals are 25 to 30, frequency is 25. Class interval 30 to 35, frequency is 34. Class interval 35 to 40, frequency is 50. Class interval 40 to 45, frequency 42. Class interval 45 to 50, frequency 38. Class interval 50 to 55 and the frequency is 14. We need to find the mode of this data. So before we proceed further, here we need to find the model class. You can see here where is the maximum frequency. Here 25, 34, 50, 42, 38, 14. This is the maximum frequency 50. So when the maximum frequency is 50, then the class corresponding to this frequency is what? This. इसको बोलेंगे मॉडल क्लास. This is the model class. Because this is the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency and the class which is corresponding to maximum frequency is called as model class. तो यहां लिखेंगे model class. What is the model class? 35 to 40. अब इस मॉडल क्लास का L means lower limit of the model class, that is what? 35. Then what is H? Upper limit minus lower limit. 40 minus 35 is 5. Now F1, frequency of the model class. F1 is called as frequency of the model class. तो आप देख सकते हैं what is the frequency of the model class? This. आप इसको F1 से डिनोट कर दो. This is called F1 and it is how much? 50. Now F0, frequency प्रीसीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास. तो ये मॉडल क्लास है, ये इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है, इससे पिछले वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो एफ नॉट होगी. दिस इज एफ नॉट. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ नॉट? 34. देन F2, फ्रीक्वेंसी सक्सीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास. ये मॉडल क्लास है, इससे नेक्स्ट वाली जो है इसको क्या बोलेंगे? F2. So here F2 is what? 42. We have got L, H, F1, F0, F2, everything. Now mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H. अब वैल्यूज पुट कर दो. L की कितनी है? 35 प्लस F1 दैट इज 50 माइनस F0 34 अपॉन 2F1 2 इंटू 50 माइनस F0 34 minus F2 42 into H5. Let's calculate. 35 plus 50 minus 34, 10 minus 4 is 6, 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 100 minus 34 and 42 can be added. So their sum is 76 into 5. Now 35 plus 16 into 5 is 80 upon 100 minus 76. So that is 24. Necessary cutting. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 0. 2 6 are 12 and 20. 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. So 35 plus 10 over 3 को पॉइंट्स में कर दो. 3 3s are 9, 1 10, 3 3s are 9. फिर ऐसे ही 0.3333 रिपीट होगा. अब आप इसको ऐड कर दो. 35.0 में 3.3 को ऐड करो. दिस इज 3, 5 and 3 is 8, 3. This is 38.3 is the mode of this data. So this is the solution of this question. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.